Hey guys, welcome back ulit sa channel ko, and in today's video, I'll be showing you on how you can earn free Bitcoin by just watching some YouTube videos or surfing on the web. So guys, before we jump into that, kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko, and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Alright guys, so here we are on my browser. Una sa lahat, passive earnings of free Bitcoins everyday, itong isi-share ko sa inyo. So guys, para maka-earn tayo ng free Bitcoins everyday, kailangan nating mag-install ng CryptoTab browser. So ano ba tong CryptoTab browser? Bali guys, katulad lang din to sa ibang browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla, or any browsers. Bali guys, ang pinagkaiba lang nito with the other popular browsers, dito ay dinevelop to specifically for mining Bitcoins, and it also has a built-in mining algorithm which is na mag-a-allow sa'yo to simply browse the web and earn Bitcoins right in your account. And additionally guys, pwede rin kayong mag-participate dito sa referral program nila where you can invite friends, promote CryptoTab browsers through social media. And yun nga guys, you can get additional earnings from doing that. Okay guys, para ma-download at ma-install nyo tong CryptoTab browser sa computer nyo or sa phone, i-click nyo lang yung link dyan sa my description at mariredirect kayo dito sa page na to. Alright guys, so ipapakita ko muna sa inyo on how you can install CryptoTab browser on your device. So, i-click lang natin tong download CryptoTab browser. So, click lang natin save. And click lang natin tong accept and install. So guys, i-click lang natin tong file dito. So, kung makikita nyo guys, while downloading this CryptoTab browser, para ka lang din nag-download ng Google Chrome. Alright guys, so once the installation has been successfully completed, as you can see on my screen, to optimize mining performance, kailangan natin i-reboot yung computer natin. So, i-reboot muna natin. Close natin to. Alright guys, so once you open your CryptoTab browser, you will be offered to sign in with your Google account to import your settings, including bookmarks or favorites from your another browser. Alright guys, so sign in ko muna yung Google account ko rito. Alright guys, so para ma-open mo yung mining page mo, itap mo lang tong icon na to, which is yung CryptoTab na icon. Alright, so dito, yung welcome page nila, next mo lang. So basahin nyo lang yun guys. So guys, i-walkthrough ko muna kayo sa CryptoTab browser dashboard. So kung makikita nyo tong mining guys, dito nyo mako-control or masiset kung magkano yung pwede nyo ma-earn or ma-mine na Bitcoin. So kung i-adjust mo to, mag-i-start ng mag-mine yan ng Bitcoin. And if you turn it up more or if you set up as max, of course, mas malaki yung mamamine mo na Bitcoin everyday. But at the same time guys, your PC or device will be using more power. So on my end, I will set it up this as max since the whole day naman naka-open lang tong computer ko. So, it's up to you guys kung paano nyo isi-set up yung pagmamine nyo rito. And kapag ka na-enable nyo na yan guys, you can go back and do the usual things or kung anumang mga activity na ginagawa nyo sa browsers nyo. And by the way guys, pwede mo rin ilagin yung account mo in multiple device. So, maganda to kapag ka marami kang device, and ideal din siya kapag ka may computer shop ka. So, installan mo ng lahat ng computer mo and ilagin yung account mo and makakapag-mine ka ng mas maraming Bitcoins daily. Just in case na gusto nyo nang mag-withdraw ng earnings nyo rito, i-click nyo lang tong burger icon dito sa top left corner and may makikita kayong withdraw BTC na button. So i-click nyo lang yan and then mariredirect kayo sa withdrawal page. So kung makikita nyo guys, yung minimum amount ng withdrawal nila is 0.00001 BTC. Bali guys, etong amount na to, ma-earn mo to in just one day na nakabukas lang tong browser. So guys, napakagandang gamitin talaga nitong browser na to just to mine free bitcoins nang walang ginagawa. So napaka-passive nito guys. And pwede nyo gamitin to in your daily activities or while watching YouTube videos or surfing on the web. So guys, pwede nyo rin iset as default itong browser na to sa computer nyo. Para ma-set as default nyo to, punta lang kayo sa settings ng computer nyo. Settings. And then, punta kayo sa apps and default apps. Scroll down nyo lang dito and hanapin nyo yung web browser. So, dito sa web browser, i-click mo lang yung Google Chrome na yan and i-click mo tong CryptoTab browser. Alright guys, another tips ko pala sa inyo para mas malaki yung ma-earn yung Bitcoin is mag-refer kayo or mag-invite kayo ng friends nyo. Kung makikita nyo dito guys, invite nyo users to your mining pool directly by this link. So, itong link na to guys, ito yung makikita nyong link down below sa my description ko. So guys, kung i-install nyo tong browser na to using this link, I would really appreciate guys. It's like give and take tayo guys. I share this information to you and yun nga guys, thank you so much kapag ginamit nyo yung link down below on the description. Bali guys, based on my review, meron silang decent referral program. For example, if I refer you, magkakaroon ako ng small percentage sa lahat ng may earn mo na bitcoins. And if you refer someone, magkakaroon din ako ng another small percentage sa mga may earn nilang bitcoin. So up to 10 people po yan guys. And yun nga guys, you can do the same as what I'm doing right now. So yun, pwede mong i-share yung referral link mo or affiliate link mo on any social media or pwede ka rin gumawa ng videos mo and upload mo sa YouTube katulad ng ginagawa ko. And ang maganda din pala dito guys, based on my research, based on my review, wala pang masyadong kompetensya itong browser na to sa market. So kaya yun nga guys, kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, i-take advantage nyo na tong great opportunities na to. So guys, install nyo lang tong browser na to using the link down below in the description. And kung may mga questions kayo guys, comment lang kayo dyan sa comment section natin. And that's it for today. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka kapag may mga bago akong uploads.